Hi, we are at IMTEX 2017. This is Niranjan from The Machinist, and I have with us Mr. Girish Rao, the MD and CEO of Harting India. Hello, Mr. Rao.
Hello.
Mr. Rao, it's been a busy day for you at IMTEX.
Yes, I think so, and we are here since last 4 days, and response is fantastic as of now.
Did you participate in the last IMTEX? How would you compare the response from the last IMTEX to this year?
Nothing different actually. It's almost same people. I see, same crowd, same customers, same participants. Nothing different actually as such.
What do you think is the strength of Harting India?
Our strength is technology, and because we invest a lot of money in new technology, we have a lot of scientists working with us, a lot of R&D engineers working with us, and we always stay ahead of our competition, and that's the core strength of Harting.
So, what would you say are your star products?
Our bread and better products are connectors. Right. We are known for connectors, but again, a lot of people think that Harting is all about connector, because we have many products which is now beyond connectors. So we have RFID solutions. So we are moving towards more digitalization, Industry 4.0, Internet of Things. So we are moving our products. We are developing our products towards this kind of technology. For example, now this exhibition is all about machinery. So in machinery application, Harting makes its own machinery for our own production facility. So the machine what you see over there, basically it is manufactured by Harting for our own production unit, and we are using the latest technology. We have come out with our own industrial computer called Mika, which is again won many awards already. In fact, it was awarded as the best product, best innovation last year in Hanover fair. And so we have this kind of cutting edge technology where our products are machine can talk to computer, or you can get the data on your smartphone. So we are developing this kind of technology, and our connectors are also getting more smaller but packing more power and signal and data. So we are doing more with less. That's what.
So that's the mantra for you basically. So which are the key industry segments that you're reaching out to?
Typically, Harting is known for harsh environment products. So anywhere you see rugged industrial environment, we are there. For example, we make products for machines which are used in a very polluted environment where a lot of grease and the industrial pollutants are falling on the products. And we also cater to railway market, which is again a very challenging, because our products are exposed to outdoor environment. Then again, we are a leader in wind turbines, because wind turbines are again installed in remote location where reliability is the key. Customer cannot go and repair again and again. So they look for a product which will last for almost 30-40 years. So we are in this kind of niche market wherever customers are looking for very critical application. They don't compromise, they just go for Harting.
Both these markets are growing in India, if you talk about wind energy as well as railways. So how's been the business for you in the last 1 year?
Business is fantastic. Harting is growing and growing faster than the market itself. We are growing faster than our competition. So touch wood, Harting is doing well.
On that note, thank you so much. We appreciate your time.